Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Hey, what is up guys? It is your friendly neighborhood squirrel here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your winrar folders associate with the jar folders. So like, just say if you want to download mods for Minecraft, okay, which I try to do. So I try to download the worst and a roastiest, or whatever it's called. I tried both of them because I came up with this problem, and they were both like this. So I figured out, I looked up a couple videos, and just in case you didn't see it, I'm going to be sharing it with you. If you try to open this, it's just going to bring up the winrar folders, and that's not the way that you want to open it. So today I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, so first go to your control panel. So just type in control panel, and then go down to programs, then default programs, and then associate with this. And then if this pops up, you don't want this. So if this pops up, just exit out that, go to the search control panel, and just type in associate until you see the file explorer options, and then go to this right here, and then this is a sign. Okay, then it'll bring you up to this screen. This is all in alphabetical order, so it'll be easy to find. So just go all the way down to the jar folders, and here it is right here. Then all you would want to do is just double click on this, then this will pop up. So once you're here, go down to Java TM, then click OK. Alright, it's loading. Okay, now it's done. And see, it's all done. So then that will pop up, and then yeah, it's all finished. And then we can just load it and everything, and yeah, we're all good. Alright guys, hope this was helpful for you. Make sure you slap that like button and subscribe for more content videos, gaming videos, all this stuff, all the good stuff. Alright, peace out.